Welcome back, Star Travelers, to the fifth and final video of set 75019, real-time Lego build for Vader's New Empire. My name is Christopher Budesheim. Everybody just calls me Chris. This should take relatively pretty quick to build this set, at least the end of it. All in all, it has not taken me that long. The only exception is taking pictures every little bit just to use it for my review of the set, which is going to be coming out real soon. And might as well get going, right? Because my stomach is growling. Last time I took this, whoops, yeah, already messing up. See, I would use that tool over there, that orange tool you see, but it doesn't work all that great. It's a neat tool and it's a good idea, but my review of it is that it needs to be redone. Just because it doesn't work exactly like you would think it would. For example, to take two pieces of Legos apart like that, you can't pry it, you can't, there's nothing really to, you can stick it on there and no, I won't even do that. See, it's good for some things, but it's not good for everything. Good idea. I think I can make a better version of it. If I had a way to mold plastics, I think I would throw Lego another idea. But I can understand why they don't do certain things, because you don't want a child getting cut on a toy, and that's probably the only way it would work, is if there was a metal piece that came out the end, or some way you could get in between two small Legos like that. Alright, I'm going to try to make this quick with the pictures. I'm going to leave my camera on just because each page has got little parts and pieces to it. And it's fairly easy to build. Now I can't remember if the stickers. Can't remember where the stickers would go. I got some that have stickers and some that don't. And okay, the back half is what has the stickers, so these ones in the front don't get stickers. I had to check that out real quick just to be sure. I mean, it doesn't really matter where the stickers go, I guess, but make it look like it does in the picture, might as well. Okay, and then this goes there. Pretty easy, huh? I like the parts that go together pretty fast and easy like that. Okay, that turned out nice. Flip it over. Put a piece there. There we go. In this part, there's flick fire missiles that slide down into it. That's why there's these grooved pieces in there. I don't know if you can see it. Grooved. Alright. I think if I stop moving pieces close to the screen like that, it won't stop on me as much. The video tends to stop on me. I think it's because my camera's trying to readjust itself, or because it will autofocus to a point, but it's not the greatest at autofocus. Okay, and these parts go under there. I'll take a picture of that. Okay, and that's in essence the top part that clips onto the part right here. Alright, moving right along. trying to go fast because I'm really getting hungry. That and this part of the book is another, it's 20 pages long, so I'm trying to get through it fairly quick. So my family in there don't think I'm going to be out here doing this all night. Which sometimes I do. I get on the computer out here and just stay out here till 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Oops. What is going on? Oh, yeah. I had to stop and think about that for a second. Alright. And this piece here. And grab some of these. I would put them all out here on the table, but I had this big fear of them rolling off the table. Sorry if my hands are getting in the way, but kind of need to there. Okay. That's like that. And then a couple pieces in the front. Part that hooks the gun onto. As if you do enough of these sets, and you know what parts are going to hook what onto. Okay, that came out a little fuzzy. You get the idea. Okay. Hey, I can put a couple away. I did try a set once. It was the 7661 Jedi Starfighter, where I tried to put everything into a cup, every piece, and I found that was extremely difficult, because remembering where every little piece was a real bear. Alright, now these. Eventually I'd like to get a file system for my sets and have it where I've cataloged everything and put everything in where I can see it and go with it from there. So I can just open a drawer up and grab a piece out so nothing rolls off and does anything weird like that. Okay, 2 of these. Of those. Yeah, see, they will roll. They might be flat, but they're still round on one end, so okay. That's good there. It's funny, I'm looking back at this set and I'm starting to think I put certain pieces in different places. So the first time I built this I wasn't thinking very much. Because when I took it apart, compared to where they're at now, pieces is a little bit different place. So it's good I'm redoing this video. Alright. The flick fire missiles. It says you can poke an eye out. I guess in the long run they probably could if you were to aim them right at someone's eyeball, but they're not spring loaded or anything like that. So, but I'm not saying point them at your friends and shoot them in the eye or anything like that. Just be careful when you do flick them out. I have flicked them out. They are called flick fire missiles for a reason. They do flick out. You can flick them out. Although me personally, I kind of wish they were spring loaded. That's just me. I think these here are more for decoration, but they will You know, they do. You can flick them out. I mean, if you really... Let's see if I can do it on camera. I don't want to break the set. Or lose a piece. They do pop right out. They do go flying. A good thing I'm on concrete down there. I could see where they went. I hope I got that on. Hopefully you could see that fly out like that. Quite interesting. Alright. I'll take a picture of that since it's right there. Point one of these up so they know it does move. Okay. Put that over there. Boy, that was fun, wasn't it? Glad I didn't have a friend sitting in front of the camera there. Would have lost an eye. Okay, there we go. That goes like that. I would take a picture here, but I think if I put a couple more pieces on, people will know what's going on. Okay. Oh, and this piece goes on there now. I'll take a picture of this and then I'll put it on there. And I'll put it on there. Clip on like that. I wish it would. Oh well. People get the idea. I'm not sure exactly how many pictures I've taken. I think close to 90 pictures, just because of the picture count I got on there. Okay, I can set that to the side. I can grab this, and then this. Two of those. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get any colder than it is now. It's starting to get a bit chilly out here. Okay. And the rest of these are, the colored ones are for the flick fire missiles. I don't know if you can see that in my hand or not. There's 4 more flick fire missiles that go on the top. Alright. These all go down on. Oh, Christmas time's right around the corner. 24 more days to Christmas. Does everybody know what they want? Me, I wouldn't mind getting a new computer, but I'm not sure if Santa's gonna see it that way this year. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put these together. Then take a picture. Yay. There goes another cup. Okay, put in one of those. Might as well pour these out too. They don't roll too much. They're all kind of got bumps on each end, each side. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. There we go. Moving right along. Try not to talk too much in these videos. My throat starts to get a little sore from talking. But I try to give a little bit of helpful tips here and there. Just in case you're young. There you go. There goes another cup. And you don't know exactly what's going on, but I'm pretty sure if you're an avid Lego builder or you're watching these videos, and you pretty much can follow along no problem. Okay, and then this goes on there. for me here. There we go. It's okay if a little bit piece comes back to the end. No big deal. I'll take a picture of that. There's the top gun. Alright. And we all know how this clips on. There we go. How to take a picture of that? Looks exactly like the picture. Sweet. Okay, now this part clips on up top. If I can only see it. Okay, there we go. Clips on. Goes down over top of the model quite nicely. Mobile gun. I'm going to go ahead and raise that up. Point the gun away from the camera. Move this up so it shows every little piece of what's going on. Take a faraway picture and then get it up close inside the model picture. How are we going to show how it clips on? There we go. That's pretty much what I'm trying to show. What it looks like inside the model. There we go. And when it's all said and done, then I'll take its close-up pictures when I'm not videoing. Okay. Next steps. I'm getting down to no pieces sitting on my table, or very little I should say. Okay, here comes these into play. Where are they at? There they are. 4 of those. And the colored pieces. Whoa, man, that was close. Like I said, they're flat on one end, but boy, they sure like to roll. Everybody recognizes these if they play the Star Wars Lego games as money. Unfortunately, when you lose them off the table, when you lose them for good, they cost you money. Okay. That's good. Alright. Put those together. Like that. There we go. Yes, well, it didn't take that long to build. And I've already had practice on it. So, okay. Blue one's on the bottom. I guess you can put them in any order you wish. But I just try to stay true to the model pictures. Okay. Make sure everybody can see that. Get a close up. I'm sorry I gotta turn the flash on, everybody. Bear with me. It's the only way to see exactly all the pieces in it. It's getting dark. Out in the back porch here. Okay. And then these pieces, I flip upside down and slide right down into those slots. I'll go ahead and take a picture of that. Came out kind of blurry. One more time. I keep moving my camera when I'm taking those pictures. Alright, we'll go ahead and close that up. And the close-up shots and all that will come later. Okay, that's like that. Time for the back half, and then we're done with the set. of 75019. Alright, this should take fairly quick. There we go. I apologize for the squeaking chair. I'm going to have to get some oil for that. Unfortunately, don't know where my can of oil went. So, but I can think of a couple other household items that cure a squeaky chair. Okay, I'll do this. Take a picture. Computer went to sleep. Alright, working on 21 minutes, not too bad. So we'll see how long it really takes to put this set together. Something I can actually say in the reviews. I kind of guesstimated on some of the time it takes when I'm doing the reviews. I'm kind of putting in there an estimate on time, but this way I can at least see. Oh, that is not a good thing. Can you believe it, folks? Can you believe it? My batteries are dying in my camera. That is not a good thing. Bear with me for a second here. I believe I have some. Yes, I do. Batteries right here. Sorry about this. It's kind of unprofessional, but I didn't think my batteries would die. It's always good to have a 8-pack of Duracell sitting by. Trying to do this as quick as possible. And I took the batteries out of my Xbox controller from my camera. Good thing it didn't die on me during the middle of a game. That would have been really frustrating. Okay. Bear with me. Oops. No problems, alright? Okay. Sorry about that. Little hang up. There we go. That wasn't too bad, was it? That was pretty quick for being on the fly like that. Okay. And now I got one heck of an echo going through my microphone and headphone, whatever. Hold on a second. That ain't right. Why is my microphone echoey? Maybe because I turned up the volume by accident. Let me turn this down. I'm trying not to get any feedback through my mic. Okay. There we go. That goes like that. And we're down to the last couple pieces. Beautiful. Okay. Take a picture of that. I've never had that happen before where the camera died like that while I'm trying to record something. Then again, I haven't really taken too many pictures when I'm recording. Okay. These go here. Oh, I grabbed the wrong piece. Oh yeah. Going stir crazy here. Usually when I concentrate, it's a good thing the camera's not on me because my tongue tends to stick out of my mouth when I concentrate too much. And I noticed just there for a second I was doing it. I'm still doing it. Trying to make sure I get all the pieces right. Okay. Kind of look a little silly when I do that. A lot of people tend to make fun of me when I do that. Okay, that's good. Now, getting down to no more pieces on the table, which is always a good thing towards the end of the build. And this piece goes like this. Snaps in there. This piece right there like this. There we go. Flip it over. Ouch. I just smacked myself. Excuse me. Alright. Try to get it like the picture. There we go. You know, I welcome all comments, so if you have any comments about the videos or anything about my site, you know, feel free. The only one that has actually put a comment on my site is my own mother, and she is the one that's responsible for my love of Legos and my love of Star Wars. You know, I seen the original movie over in Germany when my dad was stationed in Germany. And I got my first Lego set while I was over there too. So, you know, I'm glad they got me into it. Okay, there goes one cup. There goes another cup. I'm looking at 27 minutes. Not bad. Goes the other cup. And the remaining pieces. Last cup gone. Yep, those are the last pieces going in. Okay. We all know this part already. I've been to it 4 other times. Or if you build Legos yourself, you've been to it a billion times. Alright. Piece in there. A piece on there. Memory is a wonderful thing, huh? Those on there. Move those apart. Take this picture. There we go. I was wondering how I could get that flap to stay there. There we go. Now this part goes on like this. Gotta look at the picture. There we go. That right? That's right. So we'll do this. We'll take a picture of the whole page. That way we know how it goes together. And I'll do this. A little side view picture. That's not going to work. There's too much glare. Oh well. No biggie. Okay. And this goes on the back side. Let me move this into a frame here. There we go. Let's see if that will stay up. Okay. I'm going to put that down. Move that how that's supposed to be. like this. There we go. That is the completed set of 75019. Move these like that. Move that like that. There we go. Hey, it fits together this way better than the way I had it. So, there you go. That is the whole video of 75019 and the new tool that needs to be re-engineered. So, there we go. There you have it. There is 75019 for you. 2 books. Not too bad of a build. I think the total time might have been about 5 hours. Probably could have been less if I didn't have to take pictures and stop and do all that kind of thing. So hopefully you enjoyed this time with me here while I built this real-time Lego build. Keep coming back for more. Thanks for stopping by VadersNewEmpire.com. Give me any comments if you want to see me another real-time Lego build of any set that I'm reviewing or have reviewed on my site so far. Let me know. Please don't ask me to do the humongous Star Destroyer. That'll probably be the last thing I ever review on set videos. I've got a ton of other ones. When I get a little bit better of a recording area, then I'll try for the big mammoth one, but that took me almost 3 days to build, and that was back to back, sitting on the floor building. So let me know which one you want to see next, and I'll pull it out of my pile and go ahead and build it for you. So let me know what set you want to see in real time. Alright, other than that, thanks for visiting Vader's New Empire, and see you on the next one. Have a good day or good night, and talk to you later. And if you don't see a set video review, which I'm thinking about doing another one here probably within a couple of days, then if I don't see you before that, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.